Hey there, it's Ice Cody here. If you want to learn how to animate GIFs in Scratch, then keep watching.
So first of all, we want to upload the GIF. So GIF is just like uploading any other image. So press this choose a sprite, then we'll go to paint. Now in the costumes, you upload it. So mine is my pictures. So if I go there, this is the GIF. So now I'm going to copy everything. Now press open. So mine is a lot, so it's going to take some time to load everything. Now it's done uploading, so just go to your costume one. Now you delete it, or you can just leave it alone. Now go to attack, to this one here, go to your code. Now let's begin coding. Go to events. Now put in a when clicked. Go to looks. Bring in your show block. So now want it to go to a particular position so that you can see how the animation is going on. So now say go to x minus 52 and y minus 33. So after this is done, we're going to create a loop so that it's going to be doing it. So we're going to put in the forever. Now go to looks and put in the next custom. So now we're going to put a wait so that it not be unnatural. Like now, if you play it, it's too fast and does not feel natural. So now I'm going to put this weight. Now I'm going to change this to 0.05 seconds. So now if you play it, it's working. Okay, so now that white pause, we don't want it to happen. So what we'll do now is go to our costumes. Now this costume one is what's causing that. So just right click it and delete. So now we also want to do that whenever we press the green flag, it should not continue from where the animation stops like the way it is now. I want it to go back to the beginning. So you just go to your looks and now you say you should switch costume to the first one. So now let's also increase the size to 167. That should work for me. Now when you stop, you can also add the backdrop so that just to fill out those white places. So me, I want to use the fan. So look somehow colorful at the other back so that just to fit those white places. Now if you put it in full, now let's play it. See, it works, the animation is blended and there's no cracking or glitch. So come to the end of this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Now if you want to learn how to make Fall Guys in Scratch, click the video you see on screen now. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, happy coding.